What's up guys? Welcome back to Will's Wash Wars. This month we're going to be looking at the brand new Detail Co products. By the way, look at these labels. They look so much better than before. And just a quick reminder, this is what it looked like before. And coming from a designer, I just gotta tell you, this is horrendous. Sorry, Eddie and Jenny, but I just gotta say the truth. However, these new labels, this is, wow, chef's kiss. The little motif here, the little Gucci thing, and the logo with a high contrast, it looks a lot better and it looks a lot higher class, even though they're staying at a very affordable pricing. So I'm very excited to test these out. This is the Decon soap right here, and this is the wheel and tire cleaner. Truthfully, I don't really like soap to begin with. I usually use rinseless wash, and by the way, their Detail Co rinseless wash, really good. I'm excited to see what their updated version is gonna be like, but it's not out yet. So we got Decon soap here. We're gonna try it out and see, how well it foams, how well it's breaking down dirt and grime on your car, because it's meant to be used as a pre-wash, but you can also use it as a regular soap, which is kind of what I don't get about Decon soap, whatever. So let's see how it works and see if the wheel and tire cleaner is also performing well, because this can be diluted so much. It's pretty crazy. So let's see how it works. All right, so we're gonna start mixing the Decon soap. This is recommended to mix at 1 to 10 in a foam cannon like this. 500 mils of water. All right, got 500 mils in there, and we're gonna add 50 mils of the soap. 2 ounces, I guess. 2 ounces is 60 mils. All right. Honestly, I think this is a little too concentrated. I think it can dilute even more, but let's see. Quiver foam cannon, by the way. Will's Striker 10 will get you 10% off at House of Rags. All right, so I got this beautiful Mustang Dark Horse right here. And it's not too dirty. It's also coated with DIY Detail Hydrate coating, so it's gonna be really easy to wash. But the owner does like to drive it a little spiritedly, so it's got some dirt. Let's watch it break it down. Wait, I didn't turn on the pressure washer. I think this is way too thick. I think this can be diluted even more. Look how thick the soap is. Let's add in some more water in here. Add a little bit more water in here. Since this soap is really concentrated, I just want to show you guys that, you don't have to actually use that much soap, because I think the concentration on this is good enough for you to do a little more diluted. So you actually save some on soap and save money. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. I think that's the right consistency I'm looking for. So it's still gonna drag down the dirt when it's sitting there. Whereas, look at the hood. This has not moved the whole time. But I guess it's a good thing to know that this soap is, really concentrated, and you can kind of adjust it to whatever you want, depending on your setup too. Guys, check out how the coating is just resisting the soap. That is a really weird pattern. That's the coating pushing off the soap. Of course, when it gets too thick, it won't push it off, but at least this portion, man, coating is doing its work. So I don't love soap because you have to rinse it off, and sometimes it's kind of hard to do that. Let's see how well this rinses off. Pretty easy. Look at that. I mean, it's also really easy to rinse off because the car is coated with one of the craziest coatings on the market. But still, I think this is one of the easier to rinse off kind of soaps on the market. All right, so we're gonna do the contact wash. Let's see in the bucket how much soap we need to put in. I'm just gonna do a little, it's not much. It's probably no more than half an ounce. Let's see how much it foams. And I got like 2.5 gallons of water in here. Whoa! That's pretty awesome. All right, didn't even use a pressure washer. It's like watery foam. I think that's good enough for me for a bucket wash like this. And for those of you who loves foam, let's see the foaming action again. All right, contact wash. I want to start with the glass. Dang, okay. Feels like regular soap. It's not like, oh, it's a decon soap. It's slightly acidic, that it feels any different. It just still works like a regular soap that you can use it as your contact wash, I guess. Very foamy, very slick. Yeah, this feels really good, especially on a coated car like this.
It feels very slick compared to what I used to use from Chemical Guys.
You feel it's slicker?
Yes.
You're not just saying that for the camera, are you?
No, I'm not. No.
Now, to be fair, this car is ceramic coated, so probably a lot of the thick slickness is from the ceramic coating instead of the soap. But in my experience, a higher quality soap like this, the big difference that you feel is you don't have to use a lot to get this kind of slickness and thickness of foam. Whereas a cheaper soap, you have to use a lot. And a decon soap like this, another strength that it has is for bumpers, when you have a lot of bug guts, the decon soap is a little stronger in terms of cleaning power, so it will clean that off a lot easier. So honestly, I would probably just use the decon soap as the pre-wash and the contact wash instead of switching soaps, because I think that makes things a little less complicated. All right, let's move on to the wheel and tire cleaner. Now, don't be fooled. I don't think this is just a wheel and tire cleaner. I think this is more of an APC after reading the instructions back here and dilution ratios. It can be diluted 15:1 for maintenance, 10:1 for regular use, which is what I did here, 10:1, and 5:1 for heavy duty wheel and tire, engine base, whatever. This is more like a APC, a all-purpose cleaner, and it doesn't have any iron mover kind of chemicals in there. It's just a cleaner. So in an IK, 10:1. Let's see how it foams. Wow. This is how it does in 10:1. Pretty impressive. Now let's see it clean. It's browning a little bit, taking off the old tire dressing. But it's not like overly cleaning, like those really caustic chemicals. All right, let's see the wheel. The wheel's filthy, by the way. It's just because it's matte gunmetal color. It's not really showing. But let's see if it's gonna loosen all of this off. Can you come closer and look at this? Did you see it? You see right here? All this gunk. Let's see. Falls right off. And this wheel is not coated at all, because we're actually planning to take this off the car and coat it completely. So this is uncoated, unprotected paint right here. So pretty impressive. It's working really well. That's perfect. That's perfectly clean. Really happy with this. All right, there you guys go. What do I think about these two? Let's start with the Decon soap. It feels like regular soap, but high quality. It cleans well. It's not just a soap for lubrication, it doesn't clean, it actually does clean. So I honestly feel like this should just be the default soap that you use for pre-wash and for contact wash, because you actually is cleaning the surface and this is not anything caustic. And this bottle is $28 for 32 ounces. So if you compare it to other soaps on the market, this is double the size. So for a 16-ounce equivalency, this will be only $14. Still really affordable with this brand new rebrand. But let's move on to the wheel and tire cleaner. This honestly should be renamed AVZ. It's a really good cleaner that not only works well on wheel and tire, it can be diluted differently to be used on different parts of the car. So if you get like butt guts or other things on your bumper, you can use this. And just in your IK foamer, you can foam it on and it will work as a even stronger cleaner than the Decon soap. So it's a really good pre-treat kind of product. It reminds me a lot of DIY Detail's All Clean. So very versatile product. And of course, these at the gallon size is gonna be even better pricing. This is at $23. So really affordable products from Detail Co. And I really appreciate how they try to make it high quality, but still accessible to most people and really easy to use. So if you guys are interested in these Detail Co. products, let me know what you think. And if you wanna get them, Will's Record 10 will get you 10% off at House of Brax. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.